To import a Phantom Wallet password, you need to have the password and the seed phrase associated with the wallet. The Phantom Wallet is a popular digital wallet used to store, send, and receive Solana and other Solana-based tokens. First, ensure you have the Phantom Wallet application installed on your device. If not, download and install it from the official website or App Store. Next, open the Phantom Wallet application and click on the Import Wallet option. This option is usually found on the initial startup screen or in the settings menu. You will be asked to choose the type of wallet you want to import. Select the option that corresponds to your Phantom Wallet. Then, you will be prompted to enter the seed phrase associated with the wallet. The seed phrase is a list of words that were generated when you first created the wallet. Enter the seed phrase carefully, making sure to include all the words in the correct order. After entering the seed phrase, you will be asked to create a new password for the wallet. This password will be used to protect the wallet and its contents. Choose a strong and unique password that you have not used before. Once you have entered the seed phrase and created a new password, click on the Import Wallet button. The wallet will then be imported and you will be able to access your funds and transaction history. It is essential to keep your seed phrase and password safe and secure. Never share them with anyone and store them in a secure location, such as a safe or a secure note-taking application. By following these steps, you can easily import your Phantom Wallet password and regain access to your Solana and other Solana-based tokens. Remember to always prioritize the security of your wallet and its contents to avoid any potential losses. In conclusion, importing a Phantom Wallet password is a straightforward process that requires your seed phrase and a new password. By keeping your seed phrase and password secure and following the steps outlined in this guide, you can safely import your Phantom Wallet and manage your digital assets.